to the next session. As per our previous discussion, we covered this topic. Then now we'll be moving ahead with the second topic, which is defining the role of a quality lab in your brewery. So moving ahead, we discuss these things. So currently, today we'll be discussing this, whether to perform a test, why to perform a test, all these things. So I've made very nice algorithm for this. So over here you can see the three terminologies. First is COA. It's called Certificate of Analysis. Another terminology is OOS, which is out of specification. So anywhere in the video, if you lost with these full forms, you can refer these two. So now we'll be moving ahead with the flow. So why do we want test in the brewery? I mean, test means quality test. So first we receive certificate of analysis. Okay, if those parameters are on certificate of analysis, let's say COA, and you have to cross verify them, which is legally required by FSSAI many times. So we do it. Okay, and if it is not in the COA, again we do it. So certificate of analysis is let's say for malt will be like this: malt, then extract potential, color, EBC, protein content. Let's say you're making a wheat beer, so you are concerned about protein and as well as the color. So you'll be performing the same test in your brewery. If it is legally required, yes, you have to perform the test again. Okay, and if again if it is not legally required, again one more case is there. Why do you want to perform this? So let's say it can cause the out of specification. Out of specification means, let's say malt has got some higher color, or some smells are there, which are like an indication of spoiled malt or old malt, I can say, right? So it's going to affect your final product, which is beer. Then yes, you have to perform a test. Again, if it is not the concern, everything is okay, fit and fine as per certificate of analysis. So if this out of specification, another use case is there. If this OOS will cause change in the process, let's say you have a malt which has got very low husk value, so it is going to impact your lautering process. Let's say you have rice which you are using for brewing, and its diastatic power or its enzymatic power is very low, then again it will affect your filtration as well as the foam and quality of beer. So again, you have to perform. So all those things, as of now, in this round, I am taking example only for the ingredients which goes into the beer. We'll also discuss the packaging thing. Again, if it is not affecting, then it's cost thing, right? Is this out of specification, is you know affecting the cost of your process? Yes, then go for it. If not, it's not worth doing the test. Now we did this one round, first round with the malt. Similarly, you can consider yeast, hops. So hops is like, I can say, concern in Indian brewing industry. We should do quality checks for this, and whatever hops we are getting because of temperature deterioration during the logistics from international countries, we are not getting the 100% hops. Whatever we are getting is the other qualities. In my experience, when I have measured or I did analysis, because we were facing few problems, we were not getting the same hop utilization. So it is less than, I can say, 50%. So one should install hop testing equipments in the brewery. Similarly, for packaging, if certificate of analysis, let's say for carton, the box that we use to pack beers, right? So if its strength is not there, right, so it is going to impact your cost, because what if it will get wet and whole bottles will get out of the box, spillage will happen. So considering all those things, this is the overview of the quality test performance. Why do we do quality test in the brewing? Why do we want quality test in the brewing? In next video, we'll be discussing the importance of all these tests, and you can always go back to the part 1 video where you can understand the whole outline of this discussion. So now I'm signing off. Happy weekend. Have a nice day. Feel free to comment below for your queries.